Mobilise builds on our focus in the partnership to promote evidence-based practice. We've over 300 schools involved, and our ambition is for all schools in Lincolnshire to be involved in a process that really is a vehicle for continual improvement, taking evidence, scaling it up, making sure that it has an impact upon all the children in all Lincolnshire schools.
As a head teacher board, we've really thought about how to involve as many schools as possible in innovative research-based CPD opportunities. Taking learning from Mobilise 1, we've sought feedback from schools, and we're trying to make sure that there's something in the project for all schools.
The feedback and marking option is a really exciting option actually. I think even for schools who've done a lot of work on their feedback policy will find that there's a lot more to learn in this area. This option looks at the work of Hattie and Dylan William, and will focus on areas such as delayed and immediate feedback, and also the role of self and peer assessment.
Cognition is around how pupils learn, how pupils remember and how pupils forget. There's aspects of cognition which would have a direct influence on curriculum design, so things like retrieval practice, distributed theory, interleaving, and teachers can use an abundance of research evidence to help design their curriculums to have a maximum impact on how pupils learn and how they remember.
Innovation's looking at really existing practice that schools are doing as part of the school development programme, school improvement programme, trying to work out how they can work together with other schools in collaborative form. It's a competitive application process which is supported by the Cara Research School and supported obviously by Lincolnshire Learning Partnership. There's funding available for it too, and we're looking to produce some tools and resources that can be used by other schools, just not the 3 or 4 that work together initially.
So the independence choice is for schools that want to pursue a key strategic priority that isn't represented by the other choices. So it's implementing research that's already been done in the same way that schools might have done for the TA project, but they're just choosing their own element to pursue. So they will need a cluster lead, and they will still be leading the CPD through professional learning communities.
One of the options is to continue with the first phase of Mobilise, which is to embed the maximising the effectiveness of the TAs in schools. So that might be for schools who want to do further work in this area and look to embed it whole school, or for people who maybe started later on in the project and want to continue.
Digital feedback is a project in conjunction with the Education Endowment Foundation. It starts training this summer and lasts a year, and it's for Key Stage 2 for years 4 and 5. It was based on 3 years of work from Lincolnshire schools, which with a small-scale randomised control trial that indicated it could have a significant impact on learning. It will provide professional development support and significant resources and training throughout the years for teachers.
The taster sessions are running up until the 16th of June, and at these taster sessions all the different options will be outlined to you. There'll be an opportunity for people to ask questions and talk through their specific situation in their own schools, and I think it'd be a really good idea if people can come along with other members of their cluster group so that they can plan together. So all the information about this is on the Mobilise website.
When schools have attended the taster sessions, they need to go back to school, discuss with your leadership team which element is going to be right for your school. Once that's been decided, you may decide to make some changes from Mobilise 1, who's going to lead it, which cluster are you going to work with, and then once you've made that decision, you need to sign up by the 23rd of June on the Mobilise website.
Our ambition, our vision for Mobilise is that 100% of the schools in Lincolnshire are involved in this project. A key focus for the partnership is that every school, every child is known, valued and supported to achieve, and we believe that Mobilise is the vehicle for delivering that.